Good morning, class. I'm so glad to hear that you had an awesome day yesterday with the substitute. Keep up the good work. I love the notations that you put on the board to show all the wonderful things you learned yesterday. You talked about I've got rhythm, how the quarter note is equal to 1 beat. Love it. Half note is equal to 2 beats. Whole note is 4 beats. And then we have eighth note, which is half of a beat. And she has up here that half of a heart being split. And then when you have 2 eighth notes, it's 1 beat. Same thing as a quarter. Now we have up here the quarter notes just like we had on the top yesterday. But today you watched a video about rest. Take a rest. So where we don't play or we don't clap or we don't sing, instead we pause or take a rest. And we're going to show that by putting our hands out on rest. Now, we're going to take away this first quarter note and we are going to put in a quarter rest. Now remember what we're going to do instead of clapping on that is we're going to put our hands out and say rest. Okay, are you ready? Get those hands ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, can you just rest on the first beat? No, you can rest anywhere. So we're going to put that back up here. And now we're going to take out that second beat. And let's take a look at that. Now, how are we going to do that? I bet you can figure it out. I bet if I was there, one of you could show me. All right, here we go. Get those hands ready. We're going to go just a little bit slower this time. Remember that tempo can change. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Very good. Do you guys remember that repeat sign? That means to go back. And we have that repeated rhythm, that ostinato. I'm loving it. All right, now, can we just do it on the first and second beats? No. We can change it to the third or the fourth beat. In fact, we are going to make this the third and the fourth beat. Woo! Have you guys got it figured out? I bet you do. Remember, instead of clapping and saying the numbers, we're just going to say rest and put our hand out. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. One more time. 1, 2, rest, rest. Very good. Now, guess what? In the video, it talked about quarter rest, but it also talked about half rest, which are how many beats? 2, just like the half note. So guess what? Where I had 2 quarter notes, it's the same thing as a half note. So this is going to be that same exact rhythm. Let's take a look at it. Are you ready? Here we go. Get those hands ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. One more time. 1, 2, rest, rest, and stop. Very good. All right, now we talked about quarter rest. We talked about half rest and now whole rest. Now look at the half rest and the whole rest. They look pretty much like the same thing, except for one has the rectangle on top of the line and the other one has the rectangle on top of the line. It almost looks like a hat and an upside down hat. Well, how I remember the half rest from the whole rest is because the whole rest is so heavy it's below the line, and that whole rest is just like the whole note. It's worth 4 beats. So when we say that, we're going to say that rest, 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 rest. Are you ready? Here we go. Get those brains going. Get those hands ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. Awesome job. I know you did an excellent job. All right. Keep learning. Can't wait to see you on Monday. Remember, what's the 3 rules? Come in quickly, sit down quietly, and listen. I know you can do it. Have a great day.